In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your account in Stumble Guys. Whether you're switching to a different account or just looking to refresh your current one, following these few steps will make the process easy and seamless for you. Stumble Guys is a fun and engaging game, and sometimes you may find the need to swap between accounts, maybe to play with different friends or to manage multiple profiles. Now, let's dive into how you can achieve this. Firstly, you'll want to make sure that your current progress in Stumble Guys is well accounted for. If there's anything you'd hate to lose, take a moment to ensure it's backed up. For the most part, as long as your account is connected to a game service or one of your social media accounts, your progress should be safe, but it's always good to double-check. Once you're confident everything is secure, it's time to move on to changing your account. To start, open the Stumble Guys app on your device. Once you're in the main menu, look for the settings icon, which typically appears as a small gear symbol located at the top right corner. Tap on this icon to access the settings menu. In this menu, you should see an option labeled Account or something similar. This is where you can manage your various account settings and information. At this point, you'll want to locate the option that says Log Out or Switch Account. This button might be somewhere in the account section, and it's the key to changing your current account. By selecting this, you'll be logged out of your current session, allowing you the flexibility to switch to a new one. Once you're logged out, the app will redirect you to the login screen. Here, you'll have several options depending on how you've set up your game. You could log in via Facebook, Google Play, or even through your Game Center if you're on iOS. Choose the option that corresponds with the account you wish to switch to. Enter the necessary credentials, and you should be successfully logged into your chosen account. After logging in, take a moment to confirm all your desired settings and game progress have been correctly loaded. This ensures that your new account is ready for action, and you're all set to continue your gaming experience exactly where you left off. And there you have it, the straightforward process of changing your account in Stumble Guys. By following these steps, you can effortlessly manage and switch between your accounts whenever you need to. Just remember, maintaining the security of your account credentials is crucial, especially when switching devices or sharing your game with others. With everything set, you're ready to jump back into the game and enjoy all that Stumble Guys has to offer. Happy gaming, and I'll see you next time.